Welcome, one and all, to Off the Cuff. Today, we're going to consult with the Off the Cuff Dictionary. Snack, a small amount of food eaten between meals. It also says, not many people make it to the evening meal without a snack. Guilty as charged. Now, if you're like me, and I've said this all the time, if you're a type 2 diabetic or if you eat a keto lifestyle, snacking can be challenging. Well, I'm making it a lot easier today. Today, we're gonna make a really decadent snack that's gonna be low carb and lower in calorie. I'm talking about nachos. I love nachos. Salty, crispy, cheesy, spicy nachos. And I'm gonna show you how to make it in your air fryer or even in your oven. Now, this episode came about a couple of weeks ago when I had trouble sleeping. I saw a commercial for a device that made all this possible. Watch.
The following is a paid commercial program.
Hi everybody, Max Miracle here. Do you like chips? I'm not talking poker or cow chips. I'm talking those salty, high calorie, high carb snack chips that crunch when you bite them.
I do. These are my favorite.
Say, I bet you those cost you a pretty penny, huh?
Not really. These was just 99 cents. Hey!
Well, your worries are over. From Max Miracle, the man who gave you Miracle Grow, Miracle Whip, and the film The Miracle Worker,
You didn't do any of that.
brings you this.
A pizza cutter?
That's right, the Max Miracle Miracle Chip Cutter.
Can I have my chips back, please?
Oh, you want low carb chips, do ya?
Sure. Whatever you got. My lunchtime's almost over.
No muss, no fuss. Just a couple of swipes with the Max Miracle Miracle Chip Cutter and you've got chips.
I had chips.
I bet you're wondering how much you have to pay for this baby, huh?
I have the same pizza cutter.
Not $19.99, not $17.99, not even $14.99.
I got this for $1 at a garage sale.
That's right! For just 3 easy payments of $9.99, the Max Miracle Miracle Chip Maker can be yours. And if you order right now, you get free overnight shipping for just $18 extra.
Hey, give me my chips back.
The Max Miracle Miracle Chip Cutter. Order yours today.
Also works on pizza.
All right, so it's a pizza cutter. I only have 2 payments left. Here are the ingredients. Okay, here's what we need to make our low-carb nachos. First off, the nacho chips. 3 low-carb tortillas. 1 teaspoon salt. Spritz with avocado oil or olive oil. Now for the nacho cheese sauce. 2 cups cubed Velveeta cheese. 1/2 cup extra sharp cheddar cheese. 2 tablespoons of butter and Carb Quick or Carbolos. 1 cup milk or heavy cream or even half and half. And for the homemade salsa, 1 15-ounce can diced tomatoes, 1 small onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, 2 cleaned jalapenos, 1/8 teaspoon hot sauce, that's optional, and salt to taste. Okay, let's start off with the chips. Here are the 3 low-carb tortillas. Here is my oil. It's filled with avocado oil. You can use whichever oil you like. And I'm using some sea salt. Very simply. Spritz, spritz, spritz. And you can use implement. I'm using my hand just to spread that oil nice and evenly around the tortilla. Take our salt. Also, the oil is going to help this stick better, which is good. We stack. Now we take our pizza cutter and one like that, and one like that, and one. There we go. One final one right here. All right, now as you can see, we have little triangles. We have our chips. Take the chips and we put them, this is the, not the air fryer basket, but this is definitely, I guess the bottom tray of the air fryer I have. If you don't have this, don't worry, just put it right into the basket. Put in your chips into the air fryer here. Now here's why they won't blow around. I have one of these. You can actually buy a metal screen or whatever, just to place this lightly over these. So they'll blow around a little bit, but they won't come up and hit 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Now, while these are cooking, let's go make that salsa. So while the chips are in the air fryer, I'm going to start the salsa. And we're going to start off with the fresh jalapeno, because this is going to be part of it, but we want to take some of the heat out. So I'm going to show you how to take out some of that heat. You take your jalapeno and cut the top off, and now slice it right down the middle. Now we take the scoop and nothing happens. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. See? All these seeds are very hot, so you want to get all the seeds out of here and be left with this. Even though these are going to go into a food processor, I'm going to slice these anyway, just to make them smaller and easier to add in. First off, we take our garlic, put it into the food processor, and pulverize. It's all over the place, but pulverization is complete. Put in the tomato, put in the onion, and let's pulse. Yes, just as I planned, it picked up all that garlic off the side. Put in the cilantro. Beautiful. Now, the jalapenos. And a touch of salt. Now, this is optional, totally optional. Bruce Baum's Noggin Blast hot sauce. Actually, making salsa is a lot easier than I thought. And we're done. Okay, first we put in the butter. I put this at high, but I'm going to actually lower this to medium high when this starts to get going. Hear that sizzle? That's a good sign. Now this is the Carb Quick, the low carb flour. And now I'm lowering the heat. Don't want to burn this. And you just want to get this till it's a nice mixture and bubbly, and it's beigeish, beige in color. And then you start to put in your Velveeta. Don't put it all in. Put in some. My mom used to use Velveeta cheese. She used to use it to make grilled cheese, not grilled cheese, sorry, macaroni and cheese for me. Now, when it's like this, put in a little bit of your milk or heavy cream. We're doing all this in increments, by the way. We're not going to do it all at once. This does take time. This will take about 10 minutes, but it's so worth it. And once you have it, you can put it in the refrigerator, and you can reheat it and use it over and over. Extra sharp cheddar, because I like it to have a bite, and this will give it that. All of it goes in. All of it, you hear me? All of it. A little more cream. Now you can see I've used maybe a half a cup of cream. You don't have to use all of it. And a cup of cream has a lot of calories, so you may not want to. That really didn't take too long. Now I'll just use it one more time. Oh, I love that. As I was doing this, I heard the air fryer ding. You may not have heard it, but I did. So the chips are ready. They're cooling. We're just about ready to put all of this together, because this is ready. Okay, who wants a healthy, low-carb snack that looks like this? Oh yeah, these chips, I've made the chips before, but not the whole shebang. This is what a chip looks like, see? It's solid, and listen. Crispy. Still didn't try the cheese yet. I'm going to in a second. I whip these up when I'm hungry. Now, the chips alone have 210 calories, and they have a total of 8 net carbs. This print right here with the cheese and the salsa, that's pretty much 2 servings. That's okay. But it's fast, it's good, and oh boy, is it satisfying. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna try the cheese now. Here we go. Creamy, tangy. You get that bite from the extra sharp cheddar. The Velveeta is smooth. That's really sweet. Let's try a little bit of the salsa, which I have not tried yet either. A little bit. Here we go. Fresh. You taste the tomatoes, the onion. A little bit. Just a little bit of the hot sauce. It's perfect. If you can make it in the oven, same temperature, a little bit more time, and you have to flip them. That's it for this time around. We're here again in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another recipe. Until then, be well, eat good.